Before sneakers became everyday footwear, before athletic brands shaped global fashion, before casual clothing transformed modern dress codes, there were formal shoes, polished, structured, purposeful, footwear designed not merely for walking, but for presentation. For centuries, dress shoes have occupied a unique position in human culture. They are among the oldest surviving symbols of refinement and personal appearance. Few garments communicate as much through such a small part of the body. Yet they do, because dress shoes were never only about footwear. They were about identity, status, discipline, craftsmanship, and the way people wished to present themselves to the world. Today, dress shoes remain a central part of formal clothing. Business meetings, weddings, ceremonies, official events, moments that carry significance often involve formal footwear. The tradition continues, yet behind every polished pair lies a remarkable history. A history stretching across centuries of social change and technological development. At first glance, dress shoes appear relatively simple. Leather, laces, soles, careful stitching, a refined silhouette, nothing dramatic, nothing excessive, yet every detail has been refined through generations of craftsmanship. The elegance of dress shoes emerges not from complexity, but from precision. The origins of formal footwear can be traced back through numerous cultures and historical periods. Throughout history, footwear served multiple purposes. Protection, mobility, social distinction. Different classes often wore different styles. Materials varied, construction varied, decoration varied. Footwear communicated information. Observers could infer wealth, occupation, and social position simply by looking at someone's shoes. This relationship between footwear and identity remains surprisingly strong today. As societies became more organized, clothing systems became more structured. Formal events required formal attire. Professional environments required professional presentation. Footwear evolved alongside these expectations. Dress shoes emerged as specialized solutions. They balance practicality and appearance. The engineering behind dress shoes reflects this balance. Unlike purely functional footwear designed for extreme environments, dress shoes prioritize controlled structure. The shape matters. The proportions matter. The silhouette matters. Every element contributes to visual harmony. The shoe must support the foot while maintaining elegance. Achieving both goals simultaneously requires skill. Leather became the defining material for much of this history. Its advantages are remarkable: durability, flexibility, breathability, adaptability. High-quality leather gradually conforms to the wearer's foot. Comfort improves with time. The material develops character. Creases form naturally. Patina emerges. The shoe becomes unique. Consumers often value this transformation. Objects that age gracefully tend to inspire long-term appreciation. Dress shoes excel in this regard. The craftsmanship involved deserves particular attention. Traditional shoemaking remains one of the most sophisticated forms of garment construction. Each stage influences the final result. Pattern making, cutting, stitching, lasting, finishing. Small inaccuracies become visible quickly. Precision matters. The best dress shoes often appear effortless. Yet that appearance requires extraordinary skill. Many hours of work can disappear behind a clean silhouette. Psychology helps explain why dress shoes remain influential. Humans form impressions rapidly. Appearance affects perception. Observers often associate polished footwear with attention to detail. Professionalism, reliability, discipline. These associations developed over centuries. Formal footwear became linked with important occasions and responsibilities. The symbolism remains powerful. People often report feeling different when wearing dress shoes. More focused, more intentional, more aware of posture and presentation. This phenomenon reflects the relationship between clothing and behavior. Garments influence self-perception. Dress shoes contribute to this process. The structure encourages different movement patterns, different posture, different awareness. The footwear becomes part of a larger psychological experience. The rise of modern business culture strengthened these associations dramatically. Industrialization transformed professional life. Cities expanded. Corporations emerged. Formal presentation became increasingly important. Dress shoes became standard components of professional wardrobes. Their role extended beyond fashion. They communicated competence, respect, readiness. The symbolism aligned naturally with workplace expectations. The visual language of dress shoes contributes significantly to their enduring appeal. Clean lines, balanced proportions, controlled detailing. Everything appears intentional. Nothing feels accidental. This precision creates elegance. Elegance often emerges from restraint rather than excess. Dress shoes embody this principle exceptionally well. Fashion trends changed repeatedly throughout the 20th century. Hemlines changed, jackets changed, trousers changed, yet formal footwear remained surprisingly stable. Minor variations appeared, different toe shapes, different materials, different decorative details. The essential concept endured. This stability reveals strong design foundations. Dress shoes solve enduring social needs. The need for presentation, the need for ceremony, the need for professionalism. These needs transcend fashion cycles. Globalization expanded their influence further. Today, dress shoes appear across cultures and industries. Different societies interpret formality differently, yet polished leather footwear remains widely recognized as a symbol of refinement. The shoe communicates seriousness, preparation, respect for the occasion. These messages remain valuable. Technology continues influencing production. Advanced manufacturing methods improve consistency. New materials expand possibilities. Comfort technologies enhance wearability. Sustainable processes address environmental concerns. Innovation remains constant, yet the essential character of dress shoes remains recognizable. The leather upper, the structured silhouette, the polished finish, the original foundations persist. This continuity reflects a broader truth about successful design. The best products often evolve without abandoning their identity. Dress shoes demonstrate this beautifully. They adapt, but they remain themselves. The footwear also reveals something important about human culture. Ceremony matters. Milestones matter. Important moments matter. People continue seeking ways to mark significance visually. Formal clothing performs this function. Dress shoes play a crucial role within that system. They complete the presentation, provide balance, create cohesion. Their importance extends beyond practicality. The shoe becomes symbolic. Perhaps that is why dress shoes continue enduring despite increasingly casual societies. Not because people wear them every day, but because they wear them when it matters. Weddings, graduations, interviews, celebrations, moments of consequence. The footwear becomes associated with memory itself. And beneath the leather, beneath the stitching, beneath the polish and centuries of craftsmanship, dress shoes tell a larger story. A story about presentation, about respect, about the human desire to rise to important occasions. Because some garments do more than cover the body, they signal intention, preparation, commitment. Dress shoes have performed that role for generations. A shoe of craftsmanship, a symbol of refinement, and one of the most enduring achievements in the history of footwear.